In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a receipt on Wix. We'll walk through the process together step by step, so by the end you'll know exactly where to click and what to look for. This is especially useful if a customer asks for a copy of their receipt or if you just want to keep your records organized and professional. First, make sure you're logged in to your Wix account and that you're in the dashboard for the correct site. Once you're in the dashboard, look over to the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. This is where Wix groups all of your main tools, like your site, your store, and your payments. In that left panel, find the section called Sales. You don't need to click it right away. Instead, hover your mouse over Sales. When you hover, a submenu will open. In this submenu, move your mouse over to Payments and Finances. This is where Wix keeps everything related to orders, transactions, and receipts. Within Payments and Finances, select Receipts. Go ahead and click on Receipts to open the Receipts page. This page shows a list of all the receipts that have been generated through your Wix site. You'll see them arranged in rows, usually with details like the date, the amount, and the customer information. Now find the specific receipt you want to send. You can scroll through the list or use any filters or search options available at the top of the page to locate it more quickly, especially if you have a lot of transactions. Once you've found the correct receipt, look at the far right side of that receipts row. You'll see a small More Options icon, often displayed as 3 dots. Click on that icon to open a drop-down menu. In the drop-down menu, choose the option that says Send via email. As soon as you click this, a pop-up window will appear. This pop-up will show the customer details that Wix has stored for that transaction, including the email address where the receipt will be sent. Take a moment to double-check that the email address looks correct. If you spot any issue, you may want to update the customer's details in your Wix contacts before sending. When everything looks good, look to the bottom right corner of the pop-up and click the Send via Email button. Wix will then send that receipt directly to your customer's inbox. And that's it. You've successfully sent a receipt on Wix, and you can repeat these same steps anytime a customer needs a copy.